Yeah, that's right, Christine. It's what everyone wants, the results of a facelift without the cutting or the downtime. Nothing can really achieve all of the results of a surgical facelift, but there are some less invasive techniques that come close. This one is done under local anesthesia and has little downtime.
Just to bring this up a little bit and just, when you look in the mirror, feel like you did maybe 10 years ago.
That's pretty much what many people say when they hit middle age. But Rochelle Dutt told plastic surgeon Dr. Norman Rowe that she wasn't ready for a full facelift, and Botox and fillers wouldn't give her the results she was after. So she's having a Threadlift instead.
Because I think this is a little longer lasting than both of those. So it is an in-between kind of thing.
Threadlift really does mean threads. They're long strings made of the same material as dissolvable sutures. What makes these threads useful for lifting the face are the tiny cones every few millimeters.
The cones grab the tissue from the undersurface and resuspend them in a more youthful position.
It's a 15-minute office procedure done under local anesthesia that inserts a series of 3 or 4 threads just under the skin. Here's how it works. A needle slides the threads first in one direction, then the other. Now Dr. Rowe can gently pull the tissue so that the cones can anchor the skin in a more youthful position.
So all I'm doing is redistributing that extra skin as opposed to, say, a facelift or brow lift where we're cutting it out.
As collagen forms and anchors the threads in place, the results are subtle but significant. Jawlines are restored. Furrows from nose to corner of mouth are smoothed, giving Rochelle what she hoped for.
I just want a simple little lift, bring back some youth, look as young as I feel.
Now, this Insta-lift can be done on jawline, jowls, even forehead and brows. It doesn't replace a facelift, but it gives most of the same benefits and lasts for about 2 years or so. Cost is roughly $2,500, depending on how many areas you have done. What price, beauty?
I guess so. So where does the end of the thread go?
Well, it gets cut off right at the skin line where it's been pulled through and then just kind of tucked in, and it's a dissolvable suture. So it just disappears under the skin.
Got it, got it.
It doesn't just hang off.
Well, I didn't know.
That's where you were going, I know.
Just curious.
Yeah,
I want to be able to answer all the questions that the viewers ask later.
Thank you, Dr.
Thank you, Dr. Mick.